Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we have something truly delicious to talk about: the Nutella Hazelnut spread with cocoa for breakfast. Now, if you're a fan of that rich, creamy hazelnut flavor but have been on the lookout for a nut-free alternative, you're in for a treat. This right here is the best nut-free Nutella available in the market. Made with a blend of quality ingredients including cocoa, skim milk, and whey, this Nutella spread brings all the goodness of the original without any nuts. Perfect for those with nut allergies or simply looking for a nut-free option. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly toasted bread, topped with a generous spread of this delectable Nutella. Whether it's pancakes, waffles, or toast, this spread adds a burst of flavor to your morning routine. But the goodness doesn't stop there. This Nutella spread is incredibly versatile. Use it as a topping for your favorite desserts, as a dip for fruits, or even as a frosting for cakes and cupcakes. And let's talk about the taste. It's pure bliss. Creamy, chocolatey, with just the right amount of sweetness. Trust me, once you start indulging, you won't be able to stop. Plus, with its convenient packaging, you can enjoy Nutella anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, simply grab a jar and satisfy those cravings. So, if you're ready to elevate your breakfast game with the best nut-free Nutella in town, look no further than this 35.3-ounce jar of goodness. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy spreading. And remember, when it comes to deliciousness, Nutella always delivers. Thanks for watching.